Morning, guys. Reaper Militia. Get this morning fire started. Have my morning coffee. Hot. Instant coffee. Didn't take much to get that started. The coals were wicked hot last night. This waterfall goes all the way up the mountain. Slate Mountain. That's what I call it. Oh, there's our super shelter. Now, I will say that I don't have winter gear, so my system wasn't very good. So I didn't sleep very warm. My leg muscles were twitching and whatnot. I mean, I slept okay. I wasn't freezing to death. Just waking up every couple hours. I definitely need some improvements. For sure. More training. My first semi-winter camping trip probably dropped down to like 25 last night. That's the front.